สบายดี YouTube fans อันนี้มันนุกฮัชกา Welcome to Nook's Kitchen มื้อนี้เฮาสิพาเฮ็ดทอดปิ้งไก่ or buffalo wings my style of course เทื่อแล้วนี่เฮาพาเฮ็ดchicken wings แต่ว่าเฮา baked baked chicken wings and this time I'm going to deep fry them. Let's see what we have here. I have 5 pounds of chicken wings. I have salt, paprika, onion powder and garlic powder, black pepper and cayenne pepper and parsley, dry parsley. So what we are going to do is that we are going to put all these ingredients in the chicken, and you probably know by now that when I cook, I don't measure. I kind of eyeball it. Okay, all the ingredients are in the chicken wings, and now we are going to mix it. Make sure I mix it well. Okay. Our chicken wings have been marinated, and the next step is to prepare the breading. So what I have here, I have I don't know, maybe 2-3 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I have cornstarch and baking soda. So I'm just going to mix that. I'm going to mix that all together. The baking soda and the cornstarch is going to give the chicken wings the crispiness. Crispy. I have a correction to make. My cameraman just mentioned to me that it's not baking soda, it is baking powder. Thank you. As you can see, I am braiding the chicken wings. I preheated the oil to medium, and I'm pretty sure it's ready. Let's test the oil. Not quite. So let's wait. Let's wait until the oil is hot. Oh yeah, it is ready. So we can go ahead cook the chicken. Nope, this is going to the chicken wings are cooking nicely. I'm a little impatient when it comes to cooking like this. So anytime there is room in here, I try to use every square inch of the oil. The wings are looking perfect. While waiting for the chicken wings to fully cook, I'm going to prepare the sauce, buffalo wing sauce. I have a variety of sauces that I want to use up, so I'm just going to use all of them. you know, just finish it off. Look at that. It's almost done, and there is no point to clutter the cabinet. So this is tapatio and cholula and crystal sauce, Frank's hot sauce, and this one is cholula, more cholula. And this is a tough one, Worcestershire sauce. And then I have vinegar, white vinegar. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour all of these in the pan. And I have half a stick of butter and vinegar. Now let's go put this pot on top of the oven. I think that's enough hot sauce for me. Think. Our chicken wings are done and our sauce is also done. Now let's give it a taste. Would you like one? Yes, that means yes. Okay. The chicken wings have to be bathed in the sauce. Okay. Let's see if it is as good as it looks, okay? Oh man, it's hot. Delicious. It's very, very good. Delicious. One thing left to do. Cheers.